You ever just have one of those days? Today's one of them.
We gotta go, we're late, we gotta go.
Oh man, it's cold.
I'll tell you, got my coffee, got my phone, got my guide, what else do I need? We gotta go. Snow. I've lived in this area for, oh my gosh, what is it, 30 years or something?
Still can't drive in the snow.
I still hate driving in the snow, especially through our canyon. And today I had we're slip and sliding. See, that's why I don't like driving in the snow. I have a doctor's appointment. It's just a regular routine appointment, but I need to have it done before we leave. So I was supposed to drive through the canyon and go to my doctor's appointment, which is unfortunately about an hour away from where we live, and I hate driving in the snow. So here we are. Have you ever had days like this when you're trying to get ready to go? It's just, I don't know, Murphy's Law. I hate driving in the canyon.
Yeah, it's a little nerve-wracking. It's a lot more snow than I was anticipating.
Yeah, a lot more snow. Oh.
White knuckle driving. And windy. Blizzard.
I don't know. Does it look like the snowplows have been here yet?
White knuckle driving.
Wow, this is not what we expected.
It's pretty rough going.
Oh, it makes me so nervous.
Yeah, you might want to call Kristen if she hasn't.
Yeah, I'm gonna call her and make sure she's not coming this way. White out. Hey.
Hey.
Where are you?
At the warehouse.
Oh my gosh. You already drove through the canyon?
Yeah, it was insane. Like, I should have never done that. It was so bad. Why? Where were you?
In the canyon. We were.
Why?
We were.
Why would you do that?
I didn't know. It was hardly any snow at home, just a little bit, but it was enough because I'm driving over for my doctor's appointment.
Today just went from bad to worse.
Yeah, keep your eyes on the road.
Whiteout conditions, and I don't know if we're gonna make it. We got 4-wheel drive going. But cars off the road everywhere. And I don't know.
Yeah.
We might get stuck. There's a semi stuck up here.
I mean, honestly, of all the days, it's been such a low snow winter.
Yeah, we've had no snow hardly at all this winter, and then the day we need to travel through the canyon, a blizzard.
It was horrible, but it's getting a little bit better. The flakes are getting a little bit lighter and fluffy and not such whiteout conditions,
Yeah.
but you're all right there with me. You know how hard it is to get a doctor's appointment for your yearly physical. You know that you have to schedule those things like months in advance. And my doctor is a specialist, and she happens to be an hour away from us. There's no way I was going to cancel this appointment, but I might have if I knew just how bad that canyon was.
We made it. Kim's at her appointment, and as you can tell, it's still snowing. That canyon was crazy. hit solid whiteout, couldn't see 10 feet in front of us, but made it through, and now I'm getting covered in white. I'm getting back in the truck. Nothing is going as planned today. I got too much work to do. Kim's in at her appointment, and I'm trying to get a video done. Snow just keeps falling. Not sure what that canyon's gonna look like driving home. Can't be pretty, that's for sure.
A+ visit, good for another year.
That's what we like to hear.
Yep. Well, now what?
Costco.
Costco?
Yep.
We're making the best out of this trip.
Hey, we got free money.
Yes, we do.
We got free money. We got $155 in Costco coupons that go back to 2017.
I think it's time to use them.
We better use them up. Making a quick stop at Staples, looking for a chair maybe for the new desk that we put in the trailer. See what they got. So we recently installed a new desk in our trailer, and now we have the problem, we got to get a chair. So we're at Staples looking at chairs. Maybe we'll see something.
You spend all our money?
Getting all this in is going to be a challenge.
Let's check UDOT, see if we can't make it home.
Yep, got to check the traffic cameras to see.
We have frozen stuff from Costco, so the canyon was closed coming south.
I think it's looking okay.
Yeah? We're gonna give it a try. It's clear here. It's not snowing anymore where we're at.
Yep.
So let's give it a try.
We're gonna do it.
The stakes are high, hun. We gotta get home.
Yep. What a day.
The day ended up a success. If you want to see some of the essential things that we are going to bring in the trailer for our next trip, watch this video right over here, and we'll see you on the other side.